Hi, this is Rachel from Tyms. Today, we'll be going through the consolidation feature on Tyms. This feature allows you to easily consolidate financial data from your subsidiaries on Tyms, enabling streamlined reporting and better visibility into your business's overall financial performance. To get started, first head over to Settings in your Tyms dashboard. Under Settings, click on Consolidation. Here, you'll see the option to activate your subsidiaries for consolidation. From the drop-down list, select the subsidiaries you want to consolidate. These subsidiaries should already be registered on Tyms, allowing them to appear on the list. Proceed to save. Navigate to Account Mapping. Mapping your accounts groups transactions from all subsidiaries under one consolidated account. Click on the New button to start mapping. Enter the consolidated account name. Select the account type and the subtype. Now, select the accounts you want to map from both the parent company and the subsidiaries. The available accounts for selection will depend on the account type and subtype you are mapping from each entity. Once you're done mapping, hit Save. You'll now see a table overview of all your mapped accounts. If your subsidiaries operate in different currencies, navigate to Exchange Rate. Click on the New button. Choose the subsidiary and the year you're adding the exchange rate for. The system will automatically recognize the base currency of the parent company and will require you to input the subsidiary's currency equivalent for each month. Here's a quick example of adding the exchange rates for each month, as the subsidiary has a different currency. After inputting all the monthly rates, click Save. You'll now see a tabular overview of the exchange rates, with options to edit or delete if needed. Now move to the Foreign Exchange Adjustments tab. This is important for handling any currency differences when consolidating your subsidiaries. Proceed to choose your preferred adjustment position. Selecting Other Expenses will reflect the adjustment on your profit and loss statement, while selecting Equity will display it on the balance sheet. After selecting your option, hit Save. Now that everything is set up, leave the Settings page and go to the Accounting module. Under this module, click on Consolidated Statements. Select the subsidiaries you want to view in the consolidation statement. You can now view the consolidated profit and loss statements and balance sheet for the entire business, including all selected subsidiaries. Thank you for watching. See you next time.